Okay, good evening everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox my new Logitech keyboards and mouse, and the model of it is the MK345. Okay, and I just got upgraded from this small one to that model, and now let's see what's inside the box. Okay, now let's take it out from the box. Okay, so we have two seals on the top and we cannot take it out from this side, so I need to cut through this two sides. So before I cut it through, let's check out the information of the box. So you can see some information here, such as the battery, familiar keyboard, comfort, and another thing you can take time read it if you want to read. Okay, and on the side we got some information. Okay, now let's take it out. Inside the box we have the keyboard and the mouse, and the button it's a blue color. Okay, is the connector. You can see the Logitech logo here. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, like this. One small menu, nothing else, and there are some instruction on this board, and nothing more. Nothing more, so I put the box away and keep the menu inside the box. So we can see here's the protection of the battery, and inside we have one battery. It's not for this tail cell, it includes inside this one. And below is the on and off, and the model of the mouse M275. Okay, if you put it to off, it will show the red logo. If you put it to on, it will show the green. Okay, and you can see the light appear on the mouse. Okay, when we just on and off and on it again, it shows the light here. So I take out the sticker, plastic protection. Okay, and you can just keep your connection to the mouse inside the mouse like this. And now let's check out on the keyboard. Okay, it have another plastic protection on here. You can take it out. Okay. Here we have on and off button on above, and it includes the additional function on the blue tag here, and when you press F1 and you can use that additional function, not like my previous one. It have separate the additional function, and the key it's just similar key. This one just a little bit bigger, and it have this for your hand like this. Okay, and the mouse is bigger. You can see this one is a little bit old. And on the back, it uses two of the AAA battery side, and this keyboard stand, it can stand up to 7 degrees. Okay, when you first time using it, you need to take out the protection of the battery. Okay, just put it back. Okay, one battery, two battery, and insert it back. Okay, and for using it with the computer, you just need to take out the connection and put to the computer, and you can use both keyboard and mouse. So I think we no need to show the connection to the computer. I think everyone is already know how to use the keyboard and mouse. So the point of this video, I just want to show you all accessory inside this Logitech keyboards and mouse model MK345. Okay, and now that is the end for this video, and thank everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.